Hey, how you doing? So here we are, Chef Patricio. We're making chicken cordon bleu. I'm going to give you two separate ways to do it. A little fancy and a little more American style. Also with roasted asparagus and garlic, butter, rice pilaf. Okay, so I have my friend Yvette here. I have my beautiful wife Becca. I have my stepson Brandon. All right, so let's get started. Hey everybody, so what we're making right now is we're making a classic bacon dressing, okay, for a spinach salad. Okay, we're going to show you how we finish it up, but this is how you make it, okay? So we're going to take our bacon out of here. It's supposed to be pretty crispy. We're going to put it right in here, okay? And then we got to be careful, my temperature seems a little hot. I'm going to add onions. I'm going to saute. I lower the temperature down. Then we're going to hit it with red wine vinegar, okay? With the bacon fat, and that's going to make our nice, beautiful dressing. Add a little honey. Okay. It's going to give it a nice glaze to it. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to chop the bacon back up. We're going to put it in the dressing, and we're going to pour it over the spinach salad. You'll see it in a little bit, okay? Okay, so this is the warm bacon dressing on a spinach salad. It's a classic Pennsylvania dish, Dutch kind of idea. Okay, so we're going to show you a basic roasted asparagus. One, you're going to get rid of this. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut it like this. Salt, pepper, olive oil, roasted it flat in the oven, 350 degrees, maybe for 5. This is skinny, so maybe 8 minutes. Pilaf, butter, garlic, rice pilaf. So I want to make sure that I make it right for you guys. It's a very simple recipe. Here's my salt. See my salt? We're not going to add black pepper in it right now. We'll maybe do that on the finishing end. Okay, so I'm going to take my garlic, whole clove. I got my grater. I'm going to just grate it like that. Coat the pan with olive oil. Right? The pan is nice and warm. All right, we're going to hit it with the my knife. We're going to hit it with the garlic. Okay, you hear that sizzle? We're going to hit it with some butter. Blend it all together. Now we're going to hit it with the rice. 2 cups of rice. Okay? 2 cups of rice. That's 4. These are 4-ounce cups. Makes 2 cups. 16 is 2 cups. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cook a little bit. Let it get coated. Then you're going to hit it with double. So it's a 2 to 1 recipe. Okay? 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Okay? Look, so I blended it all together. And there's your butter. Okay? And then we'll save some butter for the end. We're going to bring it to a boil, and it's going to go right into the oven. We're making chicken cordon bleu, right? And I'm going to show you how to butcher it, and I'm going to show you how to pound it. I'm going to take all this extra stuff off of it, right? And I'm only going to make 2 fillets out of this right now. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do 2 different kinds. First, cheese first, okay? This is Gruyere. Gruyere is like a sharp Swiss cheese. Very, very fancy. Then we're going to put the prosciutto, okay? It's called prosciutto, okay? Prosciutto. And we're going to roll it. We're going to roll it tight. Now I'm going to give you the American version. Mild Vermont cheddar, which is very, very close to American cheese. But it's better than American cheese because I don't like American cheese. Rock honey ham. Very tasty, okay? Again, all right? And we're gonna roll it again. Okay, so we're back, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna toothpick it, and so you're gonna put the toothpicks in on a sling. So all the way until it hits the cutting board, okay? And then you're gonna do it this way also. You can flip it actually, it's even better this way, okay? Now remember, when it's all done, said and done, make sure you pull those picks out because you don't want to be eating toothpicks. Okay? All right. And then so now here we go. We're gonna flour, egg, breadcrumbs. So one hand is dry, one hand is wet, something like that. You're gonna dust this up. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get all the excess flour off of here. Right, you're gonna dip it in the egg, right? And then you're gonna dip it in the breadcrumbs. And you're gonna coat it with the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs here, I got a regular breadcrumb store-bought, but I added some Parmesan to it. Oh, this is the other one. Again, we're gonna dust it. See how my right hand is dry? Add some flour in there. And you get it in wet. And make sure it's nice and coated. Okay, so we got our stuff breaded, right? Chicken Cordon Bleu, nice and breaded. We're gonna go right into the fryer. Right? You do it like that. Shallow fry is what the technique is called. Okay? Classic. I'm gonna turn the temperature up a little bit. We're gonna brown this and we're gonna get it in the oven. Rice is done. I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce, which is white wine Dijon cream sauce. And then we're gonna plate it up. Okay? Okay? See how hot that is? Boom. Now watch. Alright, we're gonna reduce that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to add the mustard, all right? And that's going to kind of bind the whole sauce, all right? And give it a second to blend in. We're going to add the cream very slowly. It's called tempering. Okay, so Chef Patricio back here. We're going to finish this dish. It's a chicken Cordon Bleu. We're going to show you the finished product. How to blade it up. We're just going to give it a nice slice like that. What we're going to do is take it like this. Boom. Okay? So here, we call it rice pilaf. It smells like scampi. Okay? Chicken Cordon Bleu with a creamy Dijon sauce, butter garlic rice, and roasted asparagus. Okay, bye-bye.